That's good. Huh?
That's good. Cards and stuff.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, and how it looks.
Hindi pa sa margin.
You know they have a margin there, right?
No, you
No,
don't.
they don't. Because the
Where's
casino,
Sigrid?
no, because the casino will lose
Yeah.
money. Because this takes a while.
Mm-hmm.
But boy, if they ever created one,
Yeah.
I would be there. I don't care if it's
All
high
day,
limit.
every day, huh?
Exactly. Alam mo, Jeffrey, minsan yun ang sinasabi mo, pero bulang.
Oo. Ito siya. Wala na.
Wala ka na rin tayo.
Sino pa?
Wala na ako.
Luno Mas?
Wala na.
Wow. Lomas. Joker.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6.
3-6, guys.
Nine cards.
Limbo.
King Pag... It's the only thing I could do. And wake up
Top
at
one?
3 p.m.
Ako ka pala. 12.
Ay, teka lang po. I didn't even realize it was already 3 p.m.
Oo, alas 12, gising.
Aga yung
Yeah.
mga gising. I was dead.
Ako ka pala. 8.
You, maybe you are the one who needs this.
Ready?
Ready.
Wala. Kang.
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 Is it true?
Yeah.
It's really Kang? Not Flores.
Okay, I have to see.
Flores Lu.
You have an extra one then. Six card.
Sus. 8 balls.
9.
9 balls.
Igo na naman.
They look
Naman.
similar. Especially when you just woke up at 3 p.m.
That means you have enough sleep.
4 balls, you see.
Dali.
Seven, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Seven balls.
Monsters.
7 cards.
1 second.
Throw
7
that.
car. I know, but
Seven
7 car.
No, 7 balls. Oh, 7 cards.
Yeah, 7.
No.
Because you threw that.
No?
No.
That would be insane, Lou.
I thought I got something that might have helped with that
Uh,
because I had these, but no.
2 balls.
but not.
No.
This one has the biggest one. Rock. Three cards.
Wait.
What were you gonna
Kaya
need?
lang Toda. 2, 3, 4. No, not.
No, because you're not gonna have a pair.
3, 4 now. No.
Ano yun ha?
No, you're
One car, 8 car,
I don't know why I thought 7 car was.
Yeah, no, you're not. You're
I tried.
I tried to for you, Luke. You're really not. I tried
It was
to
1,
everything.
4.
No,
It was 1,
you're really
4,
not. Yeah, 8, 6. Oh, it was a matter of 3 car or 8, 6 that I was gonna throw.
Oh.
Because I had 7, 7, 8.
So, oh, 7, 7, 8 car?
8, 6.
Oh, 6.
It was a matter of throwing 8 sticks or 3 cards.
Oh.
Because I had 7, 7 sticks. 7, 7, 8 sticks. So I had an extra one. But I couldn't ano yet because not puro yet.
Good.
Nene.
Nene. 1 flower. You got it ready to go?
Yeah.
No return. 1.
4, 8, 12, 16, 17.
Ano yun?
Oh, we like it. Wala na.
Wala na.
Seven. 3, 6, 7. Ah, 9 cards. Don't charge me, Luis. What is the reason?
5 car.
Six.
Car.
6 scare.
Nice.
5 sticks.
Who has the 2?
The what? Now have. You're
I have
good,
a
Jeff.
1 car.
1 car. Oh, here it is.
If, that's what I was gonna say, because he has black.
Three.
Ang taray ah, parang sticks at parang ang joker ah. Two only, 13.
Papunta ko yung mga sa
Hindi, spray mo yan oh.
pero sa baba lang. Kasi turo.
There's only 1 ball.
1? Oh, I know. Out of all of them? There.
Three balls. This is which one?
Eh, eh.
Okay.
Kape.
Before the fifth.
Mm.
What's my bonus low? No, I throw.
Before the fifth.
Yeah. No, kanina. I wanted to do with Escalera, but how can I? 9 balls. Who would throw 9 balls? I will have to bunot that shit.
Ilagay mo sa card mo para ma-record nila.
Ilibin. Julius. The Cleopatra is real. Uy, ako.
Nakita yung nag-develop ng
Sawi.
Hindi mo na lang si Iskaro hinabol mo.
Nakita mo siya. Dati pakinig na lang tayo.
Hello,
Nag-intro na tayo?
nag-improve. Yun ang tawag.
Nakapaglalo nga sa
High limit eh. That's what you call progress.
Sabi nga ni David, how could you bet? How could you?
Hindi kasi siguro siya sanay. Tapos sabi ni Debbie, Sir, you even told me you were gonna buy me food when you get home. What happened?
Oh, yeah, you know, you gotta drink. Thank you. It's not gonna work right now, buddy.
No.
Wala na.
Your turn to choose.
Wow. He only has one.
Wala na.
No,
Hindi kasi gabi, party ko kung babulated ako.
Just pang population.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Did this happen?
big word. Isang babilayin.
Nagulat ako na. Tuwa pa ako ah.
Eh kasi siguro punta ng ano doon, ay ano na to. Tapos
Ang dala mo ako kagabi ah. Hindi ka na makakalinap
Kami
eh.
katabi ka pa na tumama. Na alam mo yun, na nakita mo kung paano niya inano. Yung ganon.
Pag-bonus na yun.
Yes. 8 sticks. 9 sticks. 4 balls.
Five star.
Eagle. Pong. Buti pa dun sa kay General Show ba yun? Show?
Oo. Yan.
7 sticks. Yung doon sa, ano, di ba? Nabumonos ka na ng
Okay,
beses
ano kailangan umalis dun sa yeah.
Kasi yung ano, maglilinis na.
Yun yung hotelan yung ano sa'yo.
At yung machine.
Ano yan, bibigay yung machine yan. Patayin ka, tawin yun.
I wanted to be before the pit.
Bonus.
I don't mind too.
What am I gonna
Oh, you
get?
didn't throw it? What did you need? Oh, you don't need. I was hoping it was by Bruno, but still.
I wouldn't know what to do. What, 6 balls or
6,
ano?
9.
No, I don't want to.
That's why I kept phoning him so early.
I don't want to.
5 balls?
2 balls, 2 balls.
Oo, buo. 5 balls ito, pero ano pa to? Itong puparuhan ko.
Wait a minute.
Why didn't you
He
go?
has
You
it.
didn't need it. I know.
I don't have it at all.
You don't need it, buddy.
Because Cleopatra is not bonusing yet, okay?
4. You got it?
Serena. What? What happened? What happened?
No more.
Luyo.
Your turn.
Ako ba nga this week? No, man.
See, then
Wala na.
No, wala na. Wala.
4, 3, 4, 6 sticks. Tama ba?
Mhm.
One ball.
Oh. Three card.
Kanina to.
8-6.
Joker yan.
Oh, I think you got a lot of another low, huh? That's why you're laughing, huh?
No, I need to throw a lot is what I need.
You're like, I got it. 3 sticks.
I can still remember yesterday. Bakit? Bakit? 4 balls. Tell me what to do.
3 sticks.
I was just afraid I was gonna run out of bait last night when we were there.
The food took forever, huh? Too long. I'm never getting food there again. The tacos were made.
5 balls.
We could get food there, but probably not. I don't know. Not the moment.
Yeah.
I think we kind of got there like right on the peak.
Yeah.
Of everyone getting hungry.
7 sticks.
Because it didn't used to be like that.
4.
9 balls. No, see?
Kailangan ko rin yun. Ayun.
7, 7.
I had a lot of food.
The birdie was a bait. I
Oh,
shouldn't
what?
have swung it because your just got 7 sticks
Oh.
and I had 9 8 sticks.
Oh,
So I
you
had to
needed-
break it, yeah. So I threw the 8 sticks.
No, just making sure. Wala na.
Ako na ba?
I have no more.
You,
Wala na.
wala mo ba
Yeah.
yun? Luno, mas
Wala na. No.
It is 1 by 1 Florence. It's like,
Yeah.
gusto lang ka na.
No more.
Ano yung minutes?
Three cards.
I love you.
Where you came
Hmm.
from? 4 sticks.
I want to
One ball.
say. Ang galing ko naman. Paningit yun.
2 balls. 8 sticks.
Tired.
9 balls.
Oh.
You always get the 9 balls, buddy.
I know, you're always the 9 ball. Sorry.
Yeah. It's a sign, I think.
2 sticks.
That one's a coffee one.
9 balls.
Brian.
Five sticks. Nice. 5 sticks. Two 10 balls. 3 cards.
Here.
Yes.
6 4.
6 color.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Evil.
16.
Nah. Birdie.
Ilan na yun? Dalawa lang.
Ano?
No, only 2. There's only 2. Yan ang ilan na. Tatlo.
Dead.
9 balls.
Bang!
You always have it.
Seven balls. 7. Okay. Yun. 6 ka.
Kang.
Mali.
5 sticks. What's Malay blue? What's
What I
Malay?
did.
Why?
Should have looked around.
For what? I'm like, for what?
For what people have.
Oh, this you mean?
No.
Oh, this you mean?
7 balls.
What's that? Man.
Dalawa.
Dalawa lang.
But it's dead, it's dead.
Should I give it to them? No. 5 card.
Hold on. Ano din ah?
No.
Oh my gosh, that was so long. Big cost?
8 car, huh? Eight car. 5 car.
I was like, when is he gonna throw the 3? That's my clue. 7. No, I said my lead because
That's
I
a
got
bait,
the 3rd. I know, I saw it over there. I was like, where is it at?
What did you need, Luke?
3. I saw he flipped it over and he had
I
it there.
bunot it. I bunot it, Luke. I bunot it.
Yeah. I changed my 8 card. I was like, no, I can't count because she has 1.
The 8, yeah. And I have the 799, but
Yeah.
I didn't want to let go of the 7, so I didn't chow your
I was only,
It was gonna mess up my pair.
at first I was 2 sticks and then I got the 8 card again. So then,
It was gonna mess up my pair.
I was holding 2 sticks.
you hold it?
Kanina ba po, nakailang palit pa na ako.
Wala na naman.
So, 7 balls yun eh.
Yeah, I thought I saw the 3 sticks over there, so I was
And I
like, when is he
bunot
gonna
it
throw
too.
it?
I
That was
bunot
my-
it at the time.
That was my single puro.
Oh, you were single too?
Yeah.
You really thought I'm gonna throw that low?
I thought you were. I thought you didn't
I
need.
already threw the whole 1 stick, so it means I'm
Yeah.
gonna keep it.
I didn't know what. I didn't know you threw the 1 stick. You got it already.
Yeah.
That is so good. Keep waiting.
I won't touch that one.
It's
You
okay,
have
Lou.
one. You have one.
Wala.
I I don't believe in that. Only you believe in that, Lou. Hello, we played at a high limit.
Think about it.
So I don't believe in that.
No more.
No, man.
Number 2.
Isa. Wala na.
No, man. Sis.
7.
Oh, definitely.
Tukar.
Walang needed earlier.
Is that what you needed?
3 sticks.
Ay, punas na 3. Ay, dumadami kayo, guys. So full. 7 sticks.
This is so ugly.
Huh?
This is so ugly. Family time.
Eh,
This one too, it's family plan.
ano ito sabi ni tatay? Tutulog eh. Hindi na kaya?
Right there, Lou.
Hindi ko miss. Nakawak, kinikiliti ko yung pa. Nakalimutan ko malibaba yung kamo.
One ball.
Lou, before you grab, can you grab me the thing?
This,
The charger, the charger. The,
the purple one.
yes, please. Thank you, Lou. Okay, now think about one ball.
That one. And I will drop one.
Eh? You don't like that food. Sus, what do you want, Lucy?
No.
Hmm?
No kang.
2 card.
I was gonna say, Lucy, don't
Ah,
I have
shit,
it, I
we
have
just
it.
need this
I have it,
one.
Lucy, I have it.
I know you need this one, baby. 9 balls.
You always have that. How can you not? This time around.
This is how you know I don't need. Oh, somebody else does.
I know, right? 3 balls.
Seven card.
Oh.
Oh, so far.
I think I threw that too.
No, he threw 2 of them.
That's the truth.
Ito mo, okay?
Ang init. Hoy, stop going to family planning, man. What the fudge? Only one came back. You know, all family planning.
Wala na. No thinking back either.
Wala. My God, even if you give me 4 joker, this shit ain't gonna fly.
Me too.
Ano binili ko?
Alin?
Ito rin.
Sa Costco ata.
The John.
5 panapon. I just counted.
5.
Yeah, 5 panapon. Crazy. And you know what I realized? Last night, I didn't even smoke one single cigarette.
Oh, you did it?
No. But I was so worried about my vape
Oh.
running out of battery.
Hindi nga na ito, kala niya walang may charging yung date niya.
Hindi yung po.
Hindi, nilalagay yung date niya doon sa akin. Ito eh.
Ano yan eh?
You drop on that, buddy.
What if I need it?
Because he bonus something.
Yeah. Even though I'm man, no, I don't bonus, but what if I bonus something?
What if he bunot the 5 balls, ha?
Ito lang pala po.
Ako yun mapa.
Make it.
Puta mo,
Make
tumatpat
it,
pa to.
make it.
Wow! Wahawawi, wawawi.
Sarap ng barbecue pag talo.
Oh, nilamnam po yung
Lalo na pag libre.
Kaya nga nilamnam po yung talo kagabi, sir.
Oo, dapat pala binayaran na lang natin. Hindi natin ginamit yung ano,
Binibigay ko na lang.
yung comp.
Hindi, sayang. Kung
Hindi
hindi
na,
sa...
kumain kayo, ha?
Kung hindi sana ako nagtahi-tahi, di sana malaki panalo ko, nakapagbalato ako. Tahi-tahi ako. Ang ina kasing Genie and the Lamp yun eh.
Hindi sana, 400 lang talo. Kung kinashout ka na, 500 lang.
Pero 9 balls?
Kaya naman. Naubusan niya ako seryoso eh. Pero bago ako pinindot, 3 pack.
No way, wala pa naman akong dala ring Yossi.
Hindi, meron ako nasa
Oo.
kotse.
Ako wala. Wala talagang dala.
Sabi, pumark tayo sa VIP ha.
We part on the VIP too.
Sabi, panindigan niya.
The camera saw us. See now, you know, they had a game plan for us.
I hope they
Ito
did.
yung mga VIP.
This four right here? Dead. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Hmm. I don't wanna throw this eh. I need to eh. No, I'm not throw this.
Di ba, di siya, pagbalik natin, may liba naman tayo tapos na. Nag-earn na yung card natin.
Hindi lang tapos yun, something else. Uy,
Pag tinawagan ka sir ng halimbawa may host ka natin, pagka may kailangan ka, sabihin mo lang sa kasi I want my body.
Sino yun
tick
dyan?
tick.
Wait. Ah, shit. Should I count it? No, I'm not gonna count it. I'm gonna call this.
Bakit mo naman hindi totoo? Sabi ka mo.
Hindi, pwede kasi. Rounding.
Nagulala akong ganyan.
Let's see what you would have. No, no.
What's the story?
What are you gonna bunot?
He will not this, then it's gonna.
This is you.
No, his, it's his.
Say, so,
This is Tito Jeff.
I'm Flores. What's my Flores?
Ay, hindi. Nandun na 7.
Flores. 9. Throw. I just bunot this one too.
Look, family planning.
Yeah, kakabunot ko lang ng ano. Joker. I needed to dikit or chow
Tito Jeff?
in order to ano, to puro.
I was family planning. I had a lot.
Family planning for me.
This is
Yeah.
Three only. Wow, all three came back.
3.
Didn't even give me a chance. Three again.
Wow. Ang dami
Tama.
na
Nice. When I was praying for 1-4.
It's only you, I think. Oh,
Not Tito Julius.
No, I
but you go first.
No, I
Yeah.
Tito
You're on
Julius
the
and then me.
Alam mo sir, sino ang ano mo? Kung hindi nagsabi sa atin ng pang-backup, wala tayong dalang pera.
Yeah, I know.
Hindi mo kinuha.
Dapat 600 lang dadaling ko.
Ako rin eh.
1,000 na.
Pero talo ko yun sa backup eh.
Ano?
No, ma.
Kaya ka nakaganon yun eh, oh. Magkaiwalay.
Separate.
Oo. Like shit, pag nagalaw ko to, tanga na yun.
Oo, sa wallet ko rin.
Ay, no!
Ang divider yung mga $2. Dito yung sa akin, dito yung
So bad?
Dang it. Lucilo. Wow. Wala ko yung joker.
2 balls.
The house.
4 sticks.
Pero yung machine doon sa sulok, nung yung babae, hindi na niya talaga inalisan. Sa
Oo.
limit. Oo, panay yung
Tama,
bonus
tama.
nun.
Sino?
Yung babae, yung parang...
Ayun, nandun sa dulo?
Oo. Hindi niya na inalisan niya.
No, tsaka hindi. Ang tagal niya na doon. Alam niyo ba nung unang pasok ko ng high limit,
Nandun
nandun na
siya.
siya.
Yeah.
Yes. Tagal
Nung
niya
una tumili
doon.
kami ni Jokes, nandun na siya.
Grabe yun. Nananalo ba? Hindi ko naman kasi na-chismisan eh. Kasi
Ano yung ano?
nanginginig ako eh.
9 balls.
She's been there a while. Pero kasi yung machine naman na yun, may minimum din doon na $5. Malay naman natin, di ba? Hala siya, oh. Ikininang. Same one.
3 sticks.
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Kasi true to.
Five balls.
Joker yan. Kanina.
Nina.
Ooh.
Same. What's going on with our Bruno? They're all the same. That's another. Uy! Ay,
Oh, Nita.
Hello, 9. Ay, true.
Nakakatawa to.
Paganda-ganda ako sa cards ko.
Me, no.
Sure na po.
No?
Sige.
Really?
Sure na po.
Take ko nakita.
Sure na po.
2 balls.
How many is that, right?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have phoned it. My mistake of phone to the Earth, Moon, and
Pretty
Fire.
far.
Wow. Well, I care.
Nine ka.
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Then I throw one.
3 sticks, 9 cards.
And 3 sticks and 2 sticks and I
Oh,
no,
2 sticks is only
2
2.
balls. 2 balls.
2 balls.
No, 3 sticks is 3. 3
Yeah.
sticks.
2 balls.
And 2 balls, yeah. And 3 sticks too.
3 sticks.
Yeah, 3 sticks.
No,
2 sticks is
that's
only
the last
2.
one. The last one.
2 sticks is only... Ano ba tinapon mo?
2 balls. That's really the last.
That's really the last one because that's a 4-2. Wait, what was he gonna do? It's all, oh, chow. I'm like, what is he gonna do? Chow.
Mm.
Oh shoot, now we're in trouble. Dapat kanina pa kita tinapon.
Oh, what?
Bongkong ko. Ah shoot, dapat kanina pa kita tinapon. Sabi ko na kaya ngayon, oh, hindi pa. 4 sticks.
Sabi yan, sabi yan.
Hindi, hindi. Kung isa.
Oh my gulay.
That's not the last
I
one.
know.
Because that's the second one.
Very kid, very kid.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to anyways. You have no choice. Ooh. Talagang nagganon ang...
Can you remember what you bunot?
Yeah.
You'll see it on the video.
It's a top decision of my life.
That wasn't it, or was it? No.
I paused on your 4.
On your 4?
On
Oh,
the 4
my
that
4?
you threw. Yeah.
Nakapong ako may tapos.
8 balls.
Sabi.
What was it?
It was 4.
You bunot 4?
Yeah.
Paano pumagal?
Hindi, dalawa tayo.
No, what I bunot
Bunot.
is 3.
Oh.
Ang puro kasi si Ate Pares, late ko na nakita, tang na super.
Oh,
Oh.
shit, sayang.
Wala akong Pares eh. Ito lang
Tapos mo
nabunot
nine.
ko.
Tapa mo na 9 balls na yung tapon.
Edit. Todas ka rin. Todas din.
What are you waiting for, buddy?
No, I had 5
You gonna bong
pairs.
this, no?
Yeah, I was gonna break already.
Na, yung Joker ba nabunot mo? Wala. Hindi.
No.
No, 3. Right?
3.
Puro ko joker, dahil wala akong pares.
Dapat tignan mo muna to.
Hindi yung damit ni nanay sa dryer.
Kaya ayoko bitawan ko. Nung 8 lang.
Ha?
Kaya ayoko bitawan ko.
I have 5 pairs, but I should have broken it.
Why didn't you do the 2? You didn't want to? Like 3, 4?
Oh, 6.
Balls. But you contemplated on the
Yeah, because I still had 5
Dito.
pairs, so I wanted to
Oh,
do
you
more.
wanted to try it.
Then one last one.
5. Ay, 7. And the God, so mabirbi naman. Kumesa ko. The Joker. Sawi of Tito Judy. That's yours. And then Tito Judy is sawi. Ito na lang ba? Wala na ba iba?
Ang bumalik.
Wala?
No, bumalik na.
Wala na.
Yanas.
Wala.
You Sharon, after we move to you.
Okay, okay. Can I make a request?
Yes,
Go ahead.
please.
5. Yes, 3, 4, 5.
Can you at least tell me if it's car or balls?
Ano yan po? Ano?
No, it's not those.
7 sticks.
Oh my God, Lord have
I need
mercy.
that eh.
I know.
8 sticks.
7 pa talaga. Eh,
8 sticks.
sa inyo na. Buset!
Five ka.
8 sticks.
Oh shit, tatlo.
This season on Moving On, will Julia stick to the
One
script
more.
or run away with her cowboy crush?
Naku po. Wait, nasa ka?
Will they finally find a way to connect?
Julia, my Julia, my Julia. Julia,
She
Julia,
leave her British
Julia.
phone behind?
Patay!
Will you?
Oh, no, no, no. I was gonna, yeah.
Nine balls.
Nobody likes 9 balls today.
Not anymore. Not after what happened.
Here, no.
9 ball.
1 ka.
Wala.
Wala.
You need to do this now.
8 balls.
Ay, we're 6, 7.
6,
Did you just borrow that?
Oh, 8? No, no, no. That was my last bono.
You've had it?
Yeah, yeah. My last bono.
Five.
Yeah. Piso.
Kaya magbibiro ko ito.
Sige.
I'm gonna move.
Piso po.
Oh, bono.
Hindi kasi ako makakatulog mamaya.
Magmumuni
I'm
mo
gonna
nila.
force it to an hour.
Magising ko nga eh.